The time? The time? Approximately 11 a.m. The place? Salem, Oregon. The scene? We're getting sprayed out. Sprayed out. Straight out. Sprayed out. Isn't that neato? Look how high. Oh, that's 26,000 feet. Oh, gee whiz. That's a long ways up there for that contrail. That's what's going on. Can't even see my phone if it's on. There we go. Okay, it's on. Beautiful, huh? Look at that shit. Oh, loving it. You know, it's good for the economy. There's rapidly expanding hospice care industry. They need all the workers they can get. Children's cancer hospitals desperately need chemotherapy technicians. They're doing good work helping people. That's what's going on. Whatever. I'm working on the Audi. Just replaced the thermostat for the overheating issue. It's down in there somewhere. And I also discovered something that's probably an issue on a lot of Audis. And that is the vacuum hoses that go right there at the end of the intake manifold. Both of those were broke. The rubber was just gunked up and it fell apart. Somebody put different clamps on it that these ones that weren't working, but I modified it a little bit and made them so they'll work. But that's probably an issue on a lot of older Audis. Is going to be those right there. So, and you can check those. I think you can reach under there and feel them if without having to take anything apart. So if your Audi's acting up, that happened when I put the new air. Couldn't get the plug to come apart. It just started breaking. But yeah, with the new thermostat and these fixed, I'm expecting the old beast is going to get up like it's really supposed to now. We'll see. Isn't that lovely? God bless America. Greatest country in the history of the world. You know, we're lucky to live here. You know, in some third world countries, they don't have rights. Rights. Yeah, you have the right to get cancer, and you have the right to die of it. You have the right to remain silent about it the entire time. Welcome to freedom.